Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, March 23rd, 2010. Today we had a total of 8 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 24 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, we set up this morning and we actually had a pre-market gap play setting up. We actually got a signal to get short right there at 8:30, and it was just a small gap. It produced targets 1 and targets 2, total of 4 ticks on that gap trade as it went down and filled what would be the closing gap based on the pre-market setup that we use. After that, right at the market open, we came above our moving average. Actually got a signal to get long right at the open. That produced targets 1, but there was no follow through to the upside, so we ended up getting stopped out of this trade for a 2-tick loss. And then we traded back down towards our closing price, a little bit beneath it. Actually got a pullback for a signal to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks as we went back down to our Globex session low and actually beneath that low, and found a little bit of support as we were ranging this morning going into the 10 o'clock news announcement. Now this trade here, I'm showing it as a target 1 2-tick loss trade. Now this trade, this was a news trade, and to even be in this trade is a little risky just on the fact because it happened right at the news. I'm going to show it as a 2-tick stop out, but really this whole time around a news event, for say 5 minutes or so after the news, you're best off just to avoid the market altogether. But I'm going to go ahead and show this as a T1 -2 loss, assuming that you got an entry at this pullback to 62.25. You didn't get to follow through on that immediate news reaction. The market ended up trading back down, almost had a signal to get short, but we didn't have enough distance to make it a viable trade. Found support again at the Globex session low, and we started bouncing back up and move our moving average. Again, this was the bottom part of that range we had been working in all morning, had a little bit of an expansion here. So we came back up above our moving average, got a signal to get long right around 10:15. And that signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 9 ticks. And that took us all the way into our lunchtime confirmation time, where we actually traded back down beneath our moving average. We got a nice long swing out of this particular move, got a signal to get short. Again, target 1 was hit, no follow through going into the lunchtime dead zone, no follow through to the downside, ended up with a 2-tick stop out on that. So it was quite an active morning, mostly a range activity. In our room, we actually had some range trading we did that was beyond some of these trading plan generic setups that we use. And then between 11:30 and 1:15, we do not initiate any new trades. That is what we call our lunchtime dead zone. That's the red area you see on this chart. We do not initiate any new trades. There was a nice setup there, but we do not put on a new trade. We just manage the trades that we're in. Coming out of lunch, we actually got a signal to get short. That produced its first target. No follow through to the downside, so we ended up getting a 2-tick stop out on that particular move. But at 2 o'clock, the market again picked up its move to the upside, and we traded back above our moving average. We got a nice signal to get long right around 250, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 9 ticks. So a very, very active day for us. 8 trades that set up with our system, let alone any of the edge trading that was going on, for 24 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this trading plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room, our video newsletter, please visit eminijunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of this screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.